Are you facing challenges with your manufacturing operations, or your existing systems are not pacing with your growth? Do you know what is impacting your organizational productivity in production, sales, human resource, or finance? Substandard materials may not only affect customer satisfaction, but can also increase rejections and production costs. Manufacturers must ensure they have complete visibility for their own compliance and that of their suppliers. Poor planning and scheduling can result in missed deadlines, additional resource and distribution costs, staffing issues, replacement materials, excessive wastes, and unnecessary downtime, bringing additional unforecasted costs and, above all, loss of customer faith. ERP for manufacturing businesses helps you not only plan and schedule resources for your day-to-day operations, but also advance planning and scheduling, bill of material, production, traceability, quality control, and increase customer satisfaction. A fully integrated ERP solution streamlines the process in your organization, starting from human resource, to leads, to customers, to orders, to manufacturing, to procurement, to dispatches and finance. Selecting the right ERP for your needs improves efficiency and productivity, reduces costs, and increases profitability. Make Proximo your IT partner in growth. Visit www.autusconsultancy.com/Proximo or call us at 981-136-8155. Our product, your growth.